Well, I knew I was going to be a doctor when I was in 4th grade. I read a book on yellow fever and finding the cure for that, and I was intrigued. I decided I was going to become a physician, and a research physician at that, trying to find new cures for things. I was sort of drawn to that area as a career in saving sight. I was not an entrepreneur in my early days. When I was in my first academic position, some very influential people asked a very important question. How can we make a lens implant see distance as well as up near? I was speaking to Arnold Beckman, who owned Beckman Industries. I gave him 3 solutions. The third solution was the impossible one. It was to remove a cataract and replace it with a material that could then refocus the way our natural lens works. And Mr. Beckman looked at me and he said, anybody can do the first 2. You can do the other one. And that set me on a course of doing things that were impossible. And when you do things that are impossible and show results, then other people with ideas that seem impossible come to you and ask your help. The idea of taking care of patients and improving their life really took hold. Well, we have the day-to-day impact of taking patients that are going blind from cataract, and a 15-minute operation and their sight is restored. But there are also some cases, I do a lot of corneal transplants. When you do a transplant in an infant born with a totally opaque cornea, you really do give them a life to live by restoring their sight. So that's been my career, taking early ideas and developing them into products that help give and restore sight to patients. It's been a great run. I've loved it.